and watch me choke. He could build me with feathers and break me with smoke. Holds me till I can't breathe, and his eyes tell me things his mouth can't achieve. Me, I fear 1,000 different ways. Still, I'd rather act than articulate. I've got cracks on my back and my shoulder and my wing. You see, I'm an angel, but I do bad things. And when you want me, well, I'll be gone. So talk to me another time. See, I don't need your recklessness, because I've got mine. Oh, won't you look for me on a different day? I wanna be the one that got away. I wanna be the one that got away. Well, there's always hope to keep us going. I still see a white picket fence and green grass growing. Maybe I was drunk in my head. You know, you're the reason that I left. Now when you want me, well, I'll be gone. So talk to me another time. See, I don't need your recklessness, because I've got mine. Oh, won't you look for me on a different day? I wanna be the one that got away. I wanna be the one that got away. Just let me go. You won't need what you don't know. Just set me free. It's your love that's killing me. So talk to me another time. See, I don't need your recklessness, because I've got mine. Sail on off the radar and venture away from this trouble. It will find you, it's behind you, it always is. Unfold from my mind, I don't want you near. If you killed me with kindness, I'd no longer feel you here. You've fallen for someone new. A feathered heart forgets everything that's true. Feels like I've ran into 1,000 shades of blue from holding on to somebody like you. you falling for someone new. A feathered heart forgets everything that's true. Feels like I ran into 1,000 shades of blue. Why am I holding on to somebody like